Hello students, welcome you all in this next video where I am solving model question paper 4 for the year 2025 and 26. Now I am going to start with part A physics of this question paper, and now I am going to solve 1 marks question from this physics part. Let's start with the first question. So here we are going to start with 1 mark question from part A physics of this model question paper 4. Already I have solved model question paper 1, 2 and 3. All the videos I have uploaded on my channel. Visit my channel, watch my videos, and if you are not still subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing my channel for more videos. So here we are going to start with part A, that is physics. So question number 1, Roman number 1, that is 4 alternative answers are given to the following questions or incomplete statements. Choose one of the appropriate answer and write the complete answer with its letter of alphabet. So here we have 2 questions which are multiple of choice, and after this there are 2 questions which are theoretical, and all will carry 1 mark. So you can see here 2 questions, each question carries 1 mark, so total we are going to get 2 marks from this section. So question number 1 will start. The diameter of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is. So here this sentence is incomplete, we have to complete the statement. So here, see here, they have asked spherical mirror. Spherical mirror means what? We have two. One is concave and one is convex, like this. So here you can see this is the concave where the reflecting surface is curved inside, and this is the convex mirror where the reflecting surface is curved outside. So in this both the mirrors, the diameter of the reflecting surface is. So see here, if I consider this concave mirror, then which is the reflecting surface? This is the reflecting surface. Then this reflecting surface is nothing but what? It is a aperture. Then for convex mirror, if you see, which is the reflecting surface, this is the diameter of reflecting surface, and this is only called as aperture. Therefore the correct option is option D, that is aperture. Write down the answer. Then the next question number 2 is, when 3 resistors of different resistance are connected in parallel. So I am going to take 3 resistors. So see here, this is first resistor, this is second resistor, and this is third one. All 3 are connected parallelly. So you can see here all are connected parallelly, and then you can connect it with the battery and the switch. Roughly I am going to draw the diagram of this. Now this is the diagram where 3 resistors of different resistance they are saying. So imagine the resistance of this is R1, this is R2, and this is R3. When these all are connected in parallel in an electric circuit and switched on, and when the switch is on, see here, there is a dot inside, means it is on, then the quantity that remains the same in all the resistors is. So here we have some of the quantities, and from these all quantities we have to find out the one which will remain same. If you see current, according to the first option, the current which is moving from this battery like this, once it comes towards the resistor, because these all are connected in parallel, you can see this wire is divided into 3. One here, one straight and one down. Therefore, current will also divide equally in all 3. So whatever current is moving in R1, it is I1, then it is I2, and then it is I3. So current is not same. Therefore, option 1 cannot be correct. Then option B, that is potential difference. So potential difference between these all the resistance, you know the voltmeter will be connected like this to this all the resistors. And here always remember, whenever resistance are connected parallelly, the potential difference will be always same. This will be constant. Then resistance, already it is there in the question that they have all different resistance. Resistivity, that is also will be different. So therefore A cannot be the correct option, resistance cannot be the correct option, resistivity cannot be the correct option, and therefore correct option is option B. So see here I have written answer B, potential difference, and here little bit of explanation also I have given. In parallel circuit, the voltage or potential difference across each resistor is the same, while current through each resistor can be different depending on its resistance. So therefore, option B, potential difference, is the correct one. Now here we have finished multiple choice from this part. Now we are going to move it theoretical but 1 mark question on the next page. Now it's Roman number 2. Answer the following question. Here also we have to answer 2 questions. Each question will carry 1 mark. So total we are going to get 2 marks. But this is theoretical. There is no multiple choice. So see question number 3. What are the reasons for overload in electric circuit? You maybe have heard the word overloading. Due to overloading, you can see the short circuit into the electric circuit. So we have to find out what is the reason. So as this is for 1 mark, if you write any one or a two reasons, then also it is enough. Here I have given 3. Any two you can write it for this. So see the answer. Overloading happens when current flowing in the circuit exceeds its safe limit, causing overheating and possible fire hazards. So for every wire there will be one safe limit, and if the current passing from this wire, if it exceeds, if it crosses the safe limit, then it is called as overload. And due to this overload we can see overheating, or sometimes there will be fire catch also. So first write down the reasons properly in points. So first one, connecting too many appliances. If you connect many appliances in a single socket, then also we can see this overload, because every application requires different amount of current, and if you are using many appliances on a single socket, then we can see this overload. Second one, using high power appliances together. If you are using high power appliances at a time together, then also you can see overloading. And the third one is faulty or damaged wiring. If the wiring which is done in the house, if it is damaged, if the wire has got damaged, then also we can see the overloading into the electric circuit. So out of these all three, any two you can write, whichever you feel easy if this question comes in your final exam. Now the next is question number 4. Two situations of freely suspended parallel copper wires carrying current are shown in the figure given below. So you can see here there are two copper wires. So this is AB1 and MN1. So here we have two situations. This is situation 1, this is situation 2. These both the wires are parallel to each other. In which of these situations the wire attract each other? Justify your answer. So see here in the first wire, in the first situation, current in both the wire it is moving in the same direction. And in the second situation, in AB wire, if the current is moving towards the left, then the MN wire current is moving towards the right. So here the current is moving in the opposite direction. Now we have to answer the below question. Now see here, answer. In situation 1, two freely suspended parallel copper wires attract each other. So see, in situation 1, we can see the attraction between the two wires. Why? Because here I have explained the reason. When the current is moving in these two parallel wires, they will attract each other. When the current is flowing through wire, it produces a magnetic field around it. Already we have studied this activity. So whenever current is moving in a straight wire, it produces magnetic field around it. And if both the wires carry current in the same direction, their magnetic field interact in such a way that the force of attraction acts between them. So remember, whenever the current is moving in the same direction in a straight conductor, then there will be magnetic field production, and that magnetic field will attract each other. But if the current is moving in the opposite direction in the parallel wires, here also magnetic field will be produced, but that magnetic field will repel these wires to each other. Therefore, according to question, here they have asked which situation we can see the attraction. Then the correct answer is situation 1. So therefore here I have written answer situation 1, and this is the justification for the answer. So here we have completed all 1 marks question from this part A physics of this model question paper. After this, we will solve with the second mark, 2 marks question. So I hope you're understanding explanation of these all the questions which can help you to write your final exam. Like my videos, share my videos with the friends, and if you're not still subscribed, then subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.